If your image doesn't fit in your chosen template, you can adjust it by cropping, rotating, or stretching. First, click on the image. If the image is locked, click Unlock. To crop the image, click Crop in the Image toolbar. Drag the handles on the corners and edges of your image to select the part of the image you want to show. You can use the Lock Aspect Ratio toggle to keep the image proportions. To rotate the image, click Rotate. Use the slider, or enter an amount of degrees to set the angle of rotation, or manually rotate the image by dragging the corner of the image. To stretch the image, select one of the blue dots on the corner of your image and drag it. When stretching the image, the proportions are locked, so the image won't be distorted. However, depending on the resolution, stretching the image may affect the quality. Have fun creating your design.